Okay, I promise that this video will be the last video that you see with me wearing this shirt and this hat. So, like I said, sometimes we do multiple, but I wanted to talk for a few minutes. The Federal Motor Carrier Association has a new program that they're launching. It's called the Safe Driver Apprenticeship Program, and you know it's a very big program designed to get and steer young people into transportation. And it started with, hey, we're going to take some 18-year-old kids and put them in the truck with a driver, and over time teach them all the stuff that we do, the pre-trips, the safety aspects, the trip planning. They ride with a certified driver for us for quite a while. They get their CDL, and then they go through our student driver and apprenticeship program and finishing school. But Christenson, Don's got a bigger goal, a bigger vision of this, and I wholly agree. For years we've said you either go to the Army or you go to college. And that worked great until we couldn't get anybody to work on our air conditioners. We couldn't get anybody to turn wrenches on our trucks. We couldn't get anybody to dispatch because they thought you only had two options. So we're reaching out. We're getting qualified to be certified in this program. It's not easy. There's insurance guidelines we got to meet, facilities, instructors, all that stuff. But our goal is to open up more of, when I was in high school, we had industrial arts, home ec, that kind of stuff. And in industrial arts, you'd learn how to build houses or work on cars or do body work or welding. And I think that's where we're going, especially in our Etheridge terminal location. We've got some smaller communities with people that would probably be more comfortable doing that than to going to school. I know I would have. And so we're looking to get into the high schools, get them over on part-time while they're going to school, teach them how to change oil on trucks, teach them how to, dispatch or do payroll or road breakdown or all the departments that we have. There's lots behind the scenes in trucking. And, I think the best thing that ever happened to me is I went through a management training program when I got out of school, and I didn't know anything. I could drive, but I didn't know what went on, and I didn't know all the other stuff about trucking. And they would ship me around for a month in maintenance, changing oil and doing pre-trips, and I'd go to accounting where I didn't last very long. You go to operations where you learn how to dispatch trucks and what goes on there. You might go to safety and recruiting where you're doing job applications and you're getting new drivers in, or you're working accidents and stuff like that. And it let you know, hey, this is what I'm good at, this is what I like to do, and I don't need to waste my time over here. And it also gives those departments an opportunity to say, hey, that person's got a lot of potential, I want them. So I think with this program that we're getting into, baby steps, it could be very beneficial for the community, for our business, and especially the students. Give them something to do. Not everybody needs to go spend hundreds of thousands of dollars getting a college degree that they're never going to use. Not everybody needs to join the military. And it gives them an avenue instead of going to fast food or whatever it is, and then they have a family, and then they can't afford to stop and retrain into another career. This gives them an opportunity before they've made those jumps to get in and test the waters and learn something that they may really enjoy and it's very good for them, without having to do what the normal society says we have to do. So look forward to keeping you updated on that. It's got a lot of potential, a big upside. We're very excited about it because I think it benefits a lot of people. So stay tuned. More to come. Christenson Transportation.